Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually use your Duolingo in dark mode. Now, as you can see right now, I've opened up my Firefox browser, I logged into my existing account, and from here you can see that my Duolingo is in a light mode. Now, it's a very easy process, very easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is log into your existing account. Now, once your account has been logged in, you see a load of options right here. Now you want to go to your more section, and from here you go down to your settings. Now once you're in your settings, all you have to do is scroll down till you find the dark mode option. Now here you see a little drop down menu, and here you can press on. Now the next thing that you want to do is only save your changes. Now this will get you to the Duolingo dark mode option. Now that's everything. If this tutorial's helped you in any kind of chance, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, but most importantly, thank you for watching.